Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the language in Ludo King application using your mobile device. To change the language setting in Ludo King, open the Ludo King application first on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Ludo King, tap on the little gear icon at the top left right next to your profile avatar. This will open up the settings interface where you need to tap on the language drop-down. From the list of languages available on the screen, scroll through the list and select your desired language. And soon after you do that, you will be able to see your language setting changed within the game. Ludo King supports several languages such as English, Hindi, Arabic, Spanish, and more. So that's how you easily change your language setting in Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials on Ludo King. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.